Hey guys, how's it going? So, with the new Lion King movie coming out this week, I wanted to show you guys how to draw one of the most popular characters, and that is Timon the meerkat. So, to start off with Timon, we are going to begin with his eyes. So, I'm going to start by drawing one eye up here. So, I'm just going to go and make a small circle like this for his eye. Now, right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves up and then down just to kind of show where like his eyebrow is and where some shading's going to be. Now, right over here, kind of lined up with his eye, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves in and then just kind of goes out a little bit. And then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves down like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then out. And then I'm going to start a line right here, and this I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and then down for his head. Then over here, I'm going to make this line just kind of come down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it around and then up a little bit like this. Then for the nose, I'm just going to make kind of like a little triangular shape with a little bit of a flat bottom. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down for his chin, and then it's going to go around, and then it's going to kind of curve back right up here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes out like this. And then starting right here, I'm just going to kind of curl around here. They have these short little round ears. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down and then goes out and then kind of comes back in for his chest. And then back here by his ear, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and then around. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down and then goes down at an angle. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, draw a line here, and then a line that just goes down and then kind of curves down for his hand. Now he has these long little kind of skinny toes. So I'm going to draw a line right here. And then I'm going to make another one kind of come down. And then one more. And then I'm just going to curve it back here. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes out for his shoulder. And this line's going to go down and then out and down like this. And then I'm going to draw the same little shapes for his hands. I'm only going to do 2 fingers on this one. And then I'm going to curve up. Then I want to draw this line all the way down here to his hand, and then I'm going to bring this one back here. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this line down. I'm going to bring it out like this, and then back, because he's kind of like sitting down on his legs. He's kind of like crouching a little bit. Then I'm just going to draw this line, kind of coming down here like this for his back. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves and then comes back for his leg. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down for his foot. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line for a toe, and then another curved line for a toe. And then I'm going to bring this back and then up. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and then down, comes back, little line like this for a toe, and then comes back to here. Then I'm going to draw a little line, just goes right here, show where his body ends. And then I'm just going to bring this leg up to here. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes out here for his tail, and then it's going to just kind of slowly come back up here. And then I'm going to make a little bit more of a curved line up here just to show where the rest of his leg is. Now for his eyes, I'm just going to draw a little small circle at the top of each one, and then I'm just going to kind of color these in. Then I'm going to add a little line right here just to show kind of like where his nose ends. Then I'm just going to put two little lines inside of his nose. And then I'm going to put a little curved line right here just to show kind of where his cheek is. And then I'm going to add a few little dots on here for some spots where his whiskers would be. And then I'm going to add just a few quick little lines just for some whiskers. And there you go. There is your drawing of Timon from the new Lion King. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.